In this really quick video guide, I want to talk about Yuka, which is a really interesting app if you want to eat foods and want to use cosmetics that are healthier. And this is just a simple web page here where you can get all the information. So let's see real quick what it's about. So you can see it's about making the right choices for your health in terms of buying the correct products for the food industry, from the food industry and from cosmetics. So you can see there are some evaluations here, some ratings, which are based on the ingredients, on the composition of the product that you're buying. And Yuka is also going to give you recommendations for healthier products, so alternatives, more healthier alternatives. You can see it's a really popular app. A lot of user are interested in this app, and I think it's really interesting. So you can see you can download it from the App Store or from Google Play, so you can use it with Android or Apple, iPhone, smartphones, and whatever. Now, here on the left side, we have, well, I have my smartphone, so how we can download Yuka is really simple. So you just go to Google Play and search for Yuka, just as I did, and just open it up. Well, this is supposed to be like a download button, but when it's ready, if you click here, you download. When it's ready, you can just open it up. You need to create an account. In my case, I have entered with my Facebook account, and you can see I already done some scanning. You can do this while you are shopping, where you are in a grocery store or wherever. All you need is the barcode on the product. So the first icon here is to start scanning. This one here at the bottom right, this button right here is for scanning. So if I just press this one, it's gonna activate a camera, and all you need to do, you can see here, I am moving my camera around. You need a barcode. So scan your barcode, and that's gonna open up a something like this with all the information. So this little page with all the information about the product. So it's going to tell you, I'm sorry, this is in Italian right now, but you're going to have it in your own language, depending on the language that you have on the smartphone. So you can see here, it's telling me about the things that are good and bad in this product. But everything is good because this is not, well, this is a healthy product. And it doesn't have fat, it doesn't have sugar, just a little bit of salt. And this is the energy, so the calories are right here. And then if it has also some other things, it will tell you. So it's a complete breakdown of what you could find in this product. So this is a good product, but sometimes you don't have, like, you have lower ratings. Now, when you have lower ratings, you can find here all the analysis. So everything has been analyzed in this product. You can go here, you can see some suggestions, some alternatives that could be healthier for what you want to buy. So you can change your idea, you can change your shopping, or you can just continue whatever you usually. So it's a really interesting app, again, for those of you who want to know a little bit more about the products that are buying, and if they are the best choice out there, and so on. And again, you find all the information here on the website, and also some news in a blog, and much more. So this will be all for this really simple, quick, and useful video guide, I hope. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to give us a little support, you can support the channel by joining, and you can also support this project right here. They also have premium version with additional features that you can check. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.